equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering off your Lenovo V14 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery. Locate the battery release latch on the underside of the laptop and slide it to the unlock position. Gently lift the battery out and set it aside. Now, we need to access the screen. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back panel off, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always consult with us. Next, we'll remove the screen itself. Look for screws on the sides of the screen bezel. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the bezel. Be careful, as the screen is fragile. Now, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris inside the laptop. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. If you're unsure about cleaning, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, which makes it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Once the internal cleaning is done, take your new screen and align it with the bezel. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly seated. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on your laptop and check if the display is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, power it off again and proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your Lenovo V14. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the screen on your Lenovo V14. If you feel this process is too daunting, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.